So we have this interesting bathroom project when we are doing the linear drain with 4 slopes, and because of the plumbing situation we had to change obviously the plumbing. We moved the toilet from here all the way there, so we had to vent things around. That's why these pipes are sticking out of the floor, and since we knew there would be a nice big bench, so we were able to put it over the subfloor and we didn't have to fight it through the framing. And now, since these 2 walls are not in a 25-degree angle, so we have this weird angle, and we are building the bench as usual, if you know me, from 2-inch Kerdi board. And I like to keep nice miters on the corners, so the whole thing will come together. And just because it's a big flat surface here, so I'm using a foam adhesive to get some little braces so it holds together nicer, so there's a nice strength to that. And when we put it together like this, you see this will glue actually to this side wall here. We are clearing the pipes. This will support the whole bench, and then we'll close it here like that with the foam. So again, same thing, this is structural. Once the glue sets, we'll just put it on a foam adhesive and glue it together, and we are good to go with boarding the walls and with the tile. So, and here's the next day. Our bench is all glued together and all one piece. So as you can see, even if it's a foam board and just glued miters, it's obviously can already hold me, and that's before the tile goes on. And we are just about to get the Ditra heat membrane on, because this bench will be heated as well.